To easily access live transcribe by using volume up and down buttons on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to select volume up and down as the shortcut to open live transcribe. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap volume up and down button. Find live transcribe and then select it. By doing this, now you can easily access live transcribe by pressing and holding the volume up and down button for 3 seconds. And then select live transcribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.